Hey, if you wonder if you can actually connect your Sony ULT Wear headphones by using the wired method to your phone or, for example, PC or laptop, yes, you can do this. In the box, you can find this jack cable, and you can plug one of the end, for example, right here. I mean, not for example, you just have to connect this cable right here. There we go. And this second end, you have to for sure plug straight into the jack port in your smartphone, for example, or your PC. And when you do this, you will be just connected and you can listen them by using the wired method. So now when you open the notification bar on your phone, you can find this headphones icon, and it actually means that you are successfully connected. When you unplug this cable, it will actually disappear. There we go. So yeah, this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.